Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the iPhone location from another iPhone. So if you want to check your iPhone location with another iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So here you have to simply go to general, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do is you have to simply open find my. So here you have to simply look for that, and here you can simply check all the location. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply share the location to any of your iPhone user and any of your friends. So first of all, you have to simply share the location to your friend, and after that you can simply add location to that friend's device. And if you want to find the iPhone, you can simply do that. Moreover, if you want to check the location, then you have to simply log in into your Apple ID on another iPhone, and after that you will can also find the exact location of your iPhone by simply logging in your Apple ID from that iPhone. So here you have simply make sure that you have turned on the location services for your iPhone. So here you have to simply go to settings, and you have to simply search for the location services, and after that you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the location services or find my. And here you can simply check for the settings, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the share my location. And after that you have to simply check your iPhone location from another iPhone, but just by simply using find my. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.